so we're here with the head coach of Clarendon College, Coach LENNY retired. First of all, how does it feel to be the Olivier Shield winners today?
Great. Happy for the players. We have a wonderful season. We have a wonderful pre-season, and it sets the tone for how the team is playing. From the past 5 years, we have been building this type of system and in the players, and they are buying into it, and it proven that what we are doing works.
Coach, and I must say it's some entertaining football. Yeah. Speak to me a bit about that system. What are you guys doing to play teams like Jamaica College and Kingston College off the park? What are you guys doing as a system?
A LENNY system.
You can give me some insight into it.
We have a good coaching staff. Samuels, we have a goalkeeper coach, Mr. Foster. So we work hard. Me and Sammy work very hard with the players. We can't explain the system. You have to be there and see it. The type of preparation what we do, and we instill it in the players. We have to be, down on them. We don't kick with the football. We play. Possession football a lot. And from the under 14, under 16, that's the norm down there. So when you come up, you just drop right into it. And the school is adapting it very well, and the players. And we want to continue on that trend. Good football, beautiful football. That's what we used to play when we used to play. So you want them play that type of football. You have to coach it. You can't talk it. You have to put it out upon the pitch and work with them day in, day out. And as I said, they're buying to it. And they are very disciplined,
All right, Coach. This game would have had a special meaning. Just before the Costa Cup final, the team manager passed away. And I know that the players that spoke to a couple of them, they really wanted to win this game for him. What did he mean to the program? And speak to me about him for a second.
He's there from 94. Yeah, he's the one that does everything for the players. Up to the top to his death, he was with the players. We had dinner the night before. He was there when we said money go bring the ice, him the gears, him did it right round. And boy, I know we're not recovered yet from it. But I saw it go, God works, we don't know what the plan he had, but we miss him a lot, and he's one of the stalwarts in the team, and I just saw we have to just repay him, just win this fee and his fiancée,
I know that Clarendon College program and Capital Maroons have a very, it's a weird relationship, but a good one. How will you, bed these guys into that program and keep them playing football after the season?
Yeah, man, definitely. We have to go do that. We have the club champion, some Caribbean team, Trinidad coming down. So maybe after that we are going to inject some of them in them. We have about 14 of them, and I don't think I'm going to use all of them because school, we want them finish them exam and things. So we'll in and out with them and see which part we can fill the gap. In Maroons, we fill it with some of them.
All right, Coach. Best team in the Costa Cup versus the best team in the Manning Cup. Is Clarendon College the best schoolboy team in the country?
You tell me.
I believe so, Coach. How you feel? Me say
how them play. I love how the team play tonight. Because we were to and fro, and then when them settle down and start pass. And we've been doing this all season. It's not a flash in the pan thing. So we expected them to play good football. It's just GSC should have stepped up and put some more fire, but maybe they couldn't handle it. I think they were also tired. They didn't get to rest. We had the time to rest and replenish them and thing. I must give to Ferguson, excellent coach, and he did well also. So big up JC,
All right, good. Thank you for talking to us. Congrats and enjoy the celebrations.